Welcome back everyone. എല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ ചാനലിലേക്ക് വീണ്ടും സ്വാഗതം. This video we will see how to properly clean and lube our motorcycle chain. നമ്മുടെ മോട്ടോർസൈക്കിളിൻ്റെ ചെയിൻ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ശരിയായ രീതിയിൽ ക്ലീൻ ചെയ്യേണ്ടതും പിന്നെ ലൂബ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടതും എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. If you are watching me for the first time, please support me by subscribing to my channel. And if you have already done it, please share with your friends. Now let's go to the video. For starting, things that you need is you need a chain cleaner, a chain lube. You can use kerosene also instead of the cleaner because this is very cheap. And one more thing, in fact two things. You can use this brush. Okay, you hold it like this and rotate it, and this part also you can use, and so you can use our old toothbrush also. So the place where you want to actually spray the kerosene or the clean or the lubers on the o-ring, which is placed between those two locks and not in the middle. Okay, so make sure you apply on the o-ring on both sides. Okay, so be very sure about it, and that's it. Now let's do it. Yes, here I go. You can spray it again. As I said, you have to spray it on the o-ring and not on the middle part. Okay, I've completed now I've completed on the right side. Now let's start on the left side. You can actually locate the chain lock and start from there, from that point, so that it is easy to know the end. Now you can see the dirt dripping down. Okay, now let's use this brush to clean the chain. Okay, you can place the chain in between those bristles and rotate it. And now don't actually switch on the engine and engage it in first gear. That is very dangerous. So rotate it with your wheel, rotate with your hands. Now you can use the other end of the brush to remove the particles that is still sticking on it. Now take a piece of cloth and hold the chain firmly and rotate it in the clockwise direction and not in the anti-clockwise direction, because if you do that, your hand and fingers will go inside the chain. Okay, so don't do it. Make sure you rotate it in the clockwise direction. Be very careful. Here also you to actually rotate the wheel manually. Okay, don't engage it in first gear and hold the cloth like this. It can actually damage your fingers. Now we can see the chain is very clean, and now we can apply the spray the chain lube like we did before. Here also you need to apply spray the chain lube on the o-rings, okay, on both sides and not in the middle. Okay, now on the right side, similarly on the o-rings only. Okay, that's it. Now just rotate the wheel slowly so that it spreads, and don't take it right away for a spin. Don't do that. So things to remember before concluding this video. First one is that is, you can use kerosene instead of the chain clean. You have seen me using the clean from mode tool, so instead of that you can use kerosene. And don't use diesel, because I'm told that the diesel dissolves the o-ring that is made of silicon. Point number 2 is that don't switch on the engine and engage it in first gear. Some people have the habit of actually engaging it in first gear and cleaning it. Don't do that, because it is very dangerous. So use your hands to rotate the wheel. Okay. And thirdly, this brush, I don't know what its name is. Actually you can get it from Amazon. Actually, I got it from Moto Avenue Article. I'll give the number so you can contact them also if you want it. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.